It's the most wonderful time of the year. And it is time for Fall into the Holidays, which is my yearly holiday series. And for this first video for 2020, Fall into the Holidays, I am putting up my tree. And this year I'm so excited because I broke tradition and I got a pink tree. My tree is usually green, but my favorite color is pink, and since we're in quarantine and this Christmas is undoubtedly probably going to be different, I wanted to do something a little bit different. So, pink tree, and don't you love my Barbie? This is so cute. I will link where I got this from down below as well. But if you love holidays and you love holiday decor and you love pink and you love pink trees, you're going to love this video. So definitely stay tuned and let's get to unboxing and putting up this tree. Okay, all the pieces are out and we've got the instructions. Do you guys use instructions? I usually don't really pay attention to them. I like to have them if I get stuck, but all right, so let's put the base together. Just here. Where's my scissors? Cupcake, are you gonna help mommy? My dog is looking like, what's going on? What's going on? Put the base together. The tree is a lot more pink than I thought it was. When I looked online, I thought it was gonna be kind of like a more baby pink, but it still looks like it's going to be pretty. Okay, these are okay. After a quick break to basically redesign the house so that this tree can move to the other side because it's way too big for where I thought I was going to have it, we're back. And now we're going to get to decorating said tree, which is huge, by the way. It's so huge, it doesn't really fit in the camera. I'm going to have to back it up and give you a look of it up and down when I'm finished, but this is interesting. Let's continue. Morning. It is day, I believe, 14 of Vlogmas. As you know, I had a real bad bout with a migraine episode for the last couple days, like over the weekend, and kind of like started on Thursday really bad, last Thursday, but I'm like 95% there. It takes a little while even after the pain is gone to get back to normal. So I've already, spruced myself up, put on my fast face, and then today I used Laritzi Cosmetics. I used their gloss here in Curve, just to add a little bit of color. I do have a work meeting. It's a Monday. And so now I'm going to take the dog out for his walk, clean my mirror clearly, and get into the day, get into my normal routine because it's been way off because I just haven't been feeling well. So, get my tea and do breakfast and all of that, take the dog out for his walk, jump into work, and then hopefully I can get some projects done. Like I need to do my Christmas cards with my Cricut, so I'll be showing you guys that whenever I do it. Hopefully I can get to it today because I really wanted to get to it over the weekend. But yeah, see you guys soon. Bye. It's super wet today. You're so nosy. Go. It's super wet today, and I always have to like wash off his feet and dry them when we get back inside. So we're on our morning walk. Walk to the stop sign and back. It's morning walk time. Oh my gosh. So I just jumped into work. Well, actually I jumped into doing some kind of homework for a class that I'm taking. And then I jumped into work. I'm so exhausted because I'm still trying to catch up on like some good sleep. But we're out here walking the dog and it's freezing cold outside. The heater broke today. It's blowing cold air, so I had to let the maintenance people know. Hopefully they'll fix that soon. But it's like wonderful COVID Christmas. Love you. You. Sir, I don't want you eating whatever that is. So what is this? Day 14? No, it's day 15. Day 15. But everything going through with it should be all roughly here. I have a bargain on the other side of the bargain section. And if you get quick trip to the bookstore to pick up a gift and some magazines for my vision board. There's way too many people in here, so I'm just trying to get in and get out.